It's Sabrina
and Kyla,
and welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters.
Today we're going to be doing face paint. Kyla's going to be doing
Gamora, and also I'm gonna be going with like, as you see, there's some like grooves on Gamora's face, and like some, Guardians of the Galaxy, things. I was looking at the mirror. See, like the little grooves on her face, and I'm gonna probably be doing that with this. See, it's like a lighter green than the one that I'm gonna do her whole face with, and after we're gonna do a screenshot of the whole look, or we're gonna just do a part of it, maybe like I was gonna say someone or that.
Yeah. And I'm going to be doing Captain Marvel, and so I'm going to be doing, if you watch the movie or know her, she has, her fist can punch fire, so I'm going to have her fist on my cheek, and then it's going to be blowing fire, and the rest of my face is
It's like her face around fire, like that.
Okay, yeah. So, let's get started. So, I'm going to be using eyeliner. Shoot, my thing went away. To outline her fist. And then I'm just going to go freestyle for the fire. So that's what I'm going to start doing.
And I'm going to start doing like on my, like the base of my chin right here. And then I'm just going to like go on my chin and then start on this cheek and then start on this cheek. And then probably go on the nose and then the forehead and then try to go on this. And I'm going to do with my eyes with this. And I'm going to try to like flatten out my brush and do the, green on her lips with this brush.
I just tested so that my eyeliner would start working.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh my god, I haven't done face paint in so long, so this is like, oh my god, cold.
It's cold?
It's cold.
Oh, so that's my starting line because it's like a triangle.
God. I'm gonna just start.
And then it moves into her thing, so that's what I'm gonna do.
So you're basically starting on my cheek and then going down. Do I do my ear, Mom? Okay, I'm not gonna do my ear. She nodded her head no. And like looking in the camera and the mirror at the same time. I'm just gonna do it like right here, and then I'm gonna. It feels so close to my mouth. It feels so weird. It feels like.
It feels wrong.
No,
I feel like I'm drawing on my face. Like, you can't tell, but there's a gap there. Yeah.
Guys, did you know that I actually, in my school, yeah, there can just be there for the lips. So,
just paint your lips.
I can't paint them with regular paint.
You can just go, that's what I always do. I paint my lips out. Like,
You don't paint your lips, you put lipstick on your lips.
Too, but I also face paint them. So, we're gonna go ahead and start outlining and face painting on our face. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I just finished outlining it. As you can see, I have the intricate details for this. And then I started heading it up into the elbow, and that's as much as I'm going to do. And then now I'm going to start coloring it in. So, yeah.
You need to like be careful.
That's what I'm going to start doing. So I'm going to start doing that blue, do that red, and then do the triangle, and then little details of gold. Or yellow, since I don't have gold.
For some reason, when I do this, like the paint goes up and it feels weird when it does that. So basically, I'm going to start doing my forehead, so I need to be really careful and try not to get my hair.
So I finished painting the blue and red, and I'm going to go in with this fine powder in this fine brush, and I'm going to go and do the gold parts of her fist, like I'm doing right now.
I feel like I'm really like characteristic than you for some reason. But
okay, so I finished with my gold.
I'm just trying to go as close to my eye as I can, but also as far away as my eye as I can, because like I don't want to, like get.
All right, so now I'm gonna start on my fire. I'm gonna outline with this.
I think the fire is gonna be actually hard because you like do orange. No. So right now I'm just dabbing it to start like, like spreading it out. And then I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I just feel, and also my face. I feel like I'm doing She-Hulk, but I'm not. I haven't done Gamora like yet in one of our YouTube videos. Do you remember that time when we did the Discuss video where you did Joy and then I did Discuss from the, that?
Yes, I did.
I was like so little. I was probably like 3. I'm sorry, you guys have to see my nostrils. I'll do it in the mirror.
Alright, Kyla's gonna start doing her eyeshadow.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this right here. It's black. Makeup palette, and it's black. Someone help me. Backstage helper. Thank you. I didn't know how she got that open so easily. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to do this. Wait. I feel like I'm just going to like... I'm going to try to do like black all around my eye.
Gotta wait for that to dry with this sponge.
So guys, I am done with my eyes. And I also darkened my eyebrows with the same color treatment. And now I'm gonna try to do my lips with this, and I'm also gonna be using that for a second. For the little like curves in Gamora's face. These. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can. So, lips. Try to like that. Also try to get like right here. I'm gonna start doing the lips. I'm done with my lips, I'm done with my eyelids, and I'm also done with contouring like her logos in her face. And I think that they didn't really show it that good, but I know that they're there. So I did a hard work on them. And also now, I just can't wait to show you my final look with my hair in a ponytail.
I am finished. I have my fire, and I filled in this eye because this eye already had fire on it. And yeah, and I can't wait to show you my final look. Okay, so this is the final look. So as you can see, I have my fire fist with fire, and my hair is and so this is Fire Captain Marvel. Like Fire Captain Marvel is so bad. All right, Kyle's turn. Explain.
Stop saying
Go on.
Okay. So I am finished. As you see, I had pink hair. Can not do that. So I have pink hair, green face, white teeth, like a monster when I do this. Sup, bro? Sup, bro? It feels like, so this would feel, it looks like that I just dumped my face in green goop.
All right.
I'm kidding.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like Marvel. Also, don't forget to subscribe
and click the bell button so you can get notified when all of our new videos pops up.
All right. Thank you guys for watching.